What will go bad if you say that?
Asempa FM.
No, but I don't know how to talk like that. No comments. Then I said, "Bibi, we have one person, but there is nothing. What's my relationship with him? There is no relationship anymore. Why there's no relationship? Because the guy is happily married. Why should I have a relationship with him?"
But apart from that, you just said recently on radio that we used to hang out. He wanted married from me. He used to be my toy. But I don't really like that.
Kind of. See, me and Maxwell were very close. I will not keep it from anybody. If they ask me anywhere that, so what was your relationship with Maxwell back then? We were close.
But you just
I was like his toy, he was like my toy.
But just
Asempa FM.
Happily married.
Yes.
You don't think that those comments...
So if he's happily married, then why should anybody come and ask me that?
Well, it is.
And then when I say no comment, then people think that there's something that I'm hiding. I don't have to hide anything.
Is it the choice of words that you're not particular about?
What did I say that I didn't say well?
You know, before some time before now, you said that the guy didn't know how to kiss. You had gotten an interview and said that.
Yes.
That he was happily married, like you have said, suggested.
Because I didn't just say he doesn't. He said, "Have you kissed before?" And I said, "Yes." Did you like? I said, "I didn't like it." And true, I didn't like it.
Mark Brown, baby, I will be an open
Asempa FM.
Michelle, Mrs. Mensa. Mrs. Mensa.
Papa B.
And then, what's it? Or you toy and I am a toy. And a relationship be a toy.
It's a bad kiss. Asempa FM.
Obana bring Mark Brown, are you ready? So a bit handled with care.
Charlie.
With care. Handle or be with care. Now, me handle it with care. We are not better than I can say. On your good kisser. And found. And found, what you can say,
Asempa FM. Well, for me, what Miss Bell is doing is very dangerous. One share, people will start comparing or not with Nanama Mark Brown.
No, Mark Brown, call him.
It's a comparison. The Basana, Miss Bell.
Mark Brown,
Miss Bell, tell her Ubelusu.
Oh,
Walusu. Some comparison, the Ubelusu.
Dadon, Miss Bell, no worry.
Debbie.
When you be over warren.
Minim.
Nana must say, or present Nana Matia some way no Jai Kuna Nasa.
I don't know.
Not Nicro Nim kissing, no, and no any part of it.
Charlie.
If you nim kissing, but on him said, yeah, spade.
Asempa FM. I like that spade.
Oh, Chad is spade. More. Yes, it's in a
all right.
Now, Joy Habitat Fair, no mini clinic, near so second one. Bus on the 17th of August to 18th. West Hills Mall. Memory Dani Kwesiada and upon on what you cop men brain on what you. And they yes, wo padansi hunim die. Quire be fast where die sini wo dem. Enti bra. Na ye manim di phone church or quine baby. I was say one a betchere baby. Danya was a wusi. And no na bra. But wo nim die bi product bi effort dansi una pesa wes betia. Ubetimia fresh 0544 310864 0544 310864 and at 054 690 8173 79054
Asempa FM
8179 Jumedie Joy News Habitat Fair Elegant Homes and General Constructions also where quality meets value and a super same build your dream and a aboy chidom any day ba Ejumeko sponsor your DBS roofing or see roof papa fee pair talk timeless architectural fittings domod roof distinct and dependable Everplus the right choice for your UPVC windows and door. Joy Habitat Fair 2019 also rethinking building technology in Ghana to give true meaning to affordable housing. Tabia herbal mixture, Miss Bell, we here be malaria cho. Tabia herbal mixture. That's it. Number one preferred herbal mixture would just so Tabia etimi boa malaria, general body pains, loss of appetite. Anti Tabia herbal mixture there. Chemical pharmacy shop ya ubenye bi upedudu etua. Call Rich Joe's Pharmacy, Repast Ventures, Wokanshi, King's Walk Herbal, Wokanshi, Ubetimia Fair 1 was 0243 686861, 0243 686861. Tabia Herbal Mixture, or see your true and authentic herbal medicine. Dead on.
Yes, it is here. I know we are entering into the camp of Dinah Asama.
Asempa
FM. Dinah worry I won't only delay interview be na delay beside no about
only feelings
the marital status. Debi osi onibi.
Asetenamu.
Debi obia nguvu.
Na ye mia wa bede no why flexible. Oh, esa da no why twan.
Ti se chewing gum.
Ti se chewing o che twan bele oba de
Ti se wele.
Be me bi mia wo. Na wa relaxing.
Because address how kasa na pa me say wa undergo some nice therapy.
Oh, nice therapy need the
Asempa FM.
We the Holy Spirit na arrest.
Me Holy Spirit ya arrest. So e ma dwen e na matum. So what I say, e dey twen nipa asafo ane won ho no. So omra mebie. Na the Holy Spirit or a police.
Na wadwen no awuka minji wundi o. Wadwen so dey tum sen. Debi wundi o debi adwamen fa ho be share line of fire mu. Debi. No.
Nipa de
Ajapa
drive ne ba.
Asempa FM.
Either you go for it or you resist yourself.
Or you use your friends sex toys.
Debi
a man for be use sex toys. Yeah, establishes that fact.
Enye.
Other nenye.
Yes, I. Other men.
What do you back on worry and you satisfy yourself sexually? Which one is good? Which one do you use? Can you cry on
everything is in the mind.
Anyway, now you've heard Adra Israel point of view. Dinosaur.
Me no. Me na ware. Ade me do say ya ne say. Metimi di asem na ko wiase nyina.
Okay, into kon na ware.
There be se obi do ade a kon do bia hwe kire kwan.
Okay. Into usis no wa ampa ware da.
Me ware da me ngoda.
Umpe bi da.
Me mpa bi nkama nya bi da se si akora me no ka se nya ho na aye den ama me ntimete ho.
Into se na ma se da ko line wu wa ho. Se na ma se da ko atwea ko bom pa ya ba.
Me mo bi da. Na me mo bi so da because woni nyame nante yi a wose se ye gini di ne som ne yi a honam ahunya de no de bedom ye kwa.
Okay. Into hu ne se aware anya okole ana.
Oh nya aware anya bibia wutu hu ana mo wa betima ye okole.
Okay. Into ususu se de eden potenti na ama wo kwan koda ware. What
na me do nyame.
Okay.
Da na me pese obi anso betete me nyame dom.
Okay, and according to research, so about 50 years ago now.
Asempa FM.
I said, "Emma, and so muno kisi so no sana."
Oh, babu.
Let me say,
Asempa FM.
Then Asama has a special relationship with the Holy Spirit. Only Mary, only Mary. Jesus, mommy.
Houseboys ne drivers. Omo yom hu chansano. Houseboys ne drivers ne fire.
Pacho yanka said I know Asempa general issue. General statement na adai.
Oba publica. No aye no hu se media.
Obo. Tell who kai say last be social media ye leaky audio be of video be of a very important was it high powered CUB war either Nigeria the driver leaking on office table na CCTV chiomo
Ghana heya
respected lady
Ghana heya ebi ono ye bank managers say cleaner no nam ho no say ne ho kire no office ena pam Adi no. Holy Ghost.
I'm for say.
Oh, and then Roman suffer. Any Roman sisters cry.
Allegations about out. Allegations. So who can say Bakubi? Your friend Malingo and Abibi South Africa. They no go worry no. Okay.
Ye to me not I. So I say. Dan.
Ebinu.
Usro say. E me mane ba nisika kakra na wanya no. Wan hwa no ma bedi.
Remember no so.
Nkrofo za se di tia no. Mazo ba di
Asempa FM.
Oh, Dana correct is a man for Njimundi. Your point of view.
First binu de ne nke agidie. But o say oba utimi ye twan wunya bema. But o begin say body no air flexible.
That means not be because
say baby afra moja no.
Because I just see how they know fresh power.
Oh, me sweetheart crowd here.
Asetenamu. Tell me you sweetheart to break to man.
Tie me ono anka say me.
So why I fresh.
Ono so me feel.
Sweetheart one fear you menya competition wa how.
Competition ni onya.
Oh, menya bi. Sweetheart or dada o pese. O dey bi o be competition. Me anka say na mema o sweetheart no competition.
Oh, pese o man competition.
Asempa FM.
Hey. Oye numero 1.
All right, Asempa Sunio into of course, Asempa. And another issue among for last me interview Papa Shi.
Papa Shi.
Yes, on Adonti Boating issue no. And I'll say enye onu na ode ogu papa ni mase na papa no na onye ne spiritual father no onye nye adwuma apparently no mami bi na ebesi no so na all ka papa na asem nti onu mama me ne platform na mama ne kan say papa no was sort of sexually harassing omoni sa anyoma nti onye onu no kan so he denied being one say akwano na mentor no say onye akwana means akwano only pastor no any church back
but you say no regress
I say lady be no oba ono program so ono papa she program so and a lady no be kan
say papa na regress
but anyo ono papa she na kan
njo no no person kire say abrochiro koye wan regress
I say 5 years ni on fan Zambia nka obaye 5 years on like me bisa no and o ka me say 5 years but enye show no so I say 5 years till today on touch your baby eye nti atano papa
and you oba obekwa ko share de ayi quadruplex
oba download
enti ono nso ayi feeling ni ba ono nso the Holy Ghost arrest ya na
minimum. In fact, in some amount for can and what they do in private are very, very different. Normally, people want people to have a very good idea of them publicly, but privately, no. Somebody is in a room. I do asetenamu. Into any day to be fine. Yasem. Na Adwa and daily graphic no can Zambia me feel say to me tackle it. I said 2 families agree to DNA test.
What did he?
There be me did he?
Koto Anna perfume rice.
Okay.
100% jasmine.
Fafa wutie
from Vietnam. Edano na maami bi nua jollof. Area ho nyina na je ho. Say ode Anna. And I'm a person who says, "Ma, mo be na onyo say, oh sister, unte mo na aba no Anna perfumed rice." And the bibia ye di mu ye de eno ne mo a wo no akra na wo ni fra betimi adi. Eye Anna perfumed rice. Me pa cho enkoto mo fufuro bia ma ne nkote wanum. Why? Na Anna de udi a wan kasa be hu se wadi mo. Ye ma emu ye aduane mi enkoto mo fun bia wo mo fun de ni de den. Anna perfumed rice. Wo pedudu atu a waso e no wo Agbogba road. Wo ben police barrier. Wo betimi afre Ockman Limited. Was 0208 039 309 0208 039 309 and 0278 888 993 and 0505 753620 and perfumed rice, the family's choice. They don't yanko.
Mo say missing tardy girls no issue no you say families no and we share daily graphic anima you say 2 families agree to DNA test beginning no they didn't want to agree almost say any omodishie no and a man force who feel say
yes police need them for who did him because mo quiet search na ma hu na bura ni bi wo ho mo nya ni nyina preko eno mo jabi no mo san ko ye nsam na ye kwasi ananta
na amafobia so say it's just a ploy to divert attention from other issues. But according to say 2 families have agreed to the DNA test. Na Ghana ye DNA no solid na Asempa am say me bisa. Na me wishing Mike 2 happy birthday.
Happy birthday
Mike 2 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Mike 2. Happy birthday to you.
Your birthday. We are 8th August.
Yes.
August bonds we.
Oh yeah, Leo Papa B.
Oh yeah, Leo, but maybe a Virgo.
Multimedia. My man's name now. I guess for the door so far.
Sir.
They be April for.
Oh, what? I guess. Yeah, over 40.
Yeah, no, from the 1st of August, near starting celebrating.
Yeah, but this
every day.
I go see next.
But 24th, a better boyfriend.
And
months na wo ha na adwumafo no August fo no
we walk
say na August fo ye wo he ye ho fe
happy go gay
ye wo sika
ye mfa ye ho
mu chade
ye chade
okay yes one
e ka ba ku yin say be se be kan so ahwa na makoka papa e bi
Holy Ghost arrest
enya ye say e ba wo de ba me sabi nyansa o say
okay suppose ye me say we are trying
FM.
enti obaya baby August dim